As the demands placed on automotive engines have increased, every part of the system has been pushed to operate more efficiently. Nowhere is that more critical than in the ignition system. Because of this, ignition coils have also become one of the most commonly serviced and replaced components, making them an important driver of the automotive aftermarket. Not all ignition coils are built the same. MotoRad is trusted to deliver better because we control the details that determine long-term performance. Better starts with engineering. MotoRad ignition coils are designed to meet or exceed OE durability requirements, delivering strong maximum voltage and spark energy, reducing the likelihood of misfires and supporting more complete combustion, even under high load and high temperature conditions. Better also means using the right materials. High-quality insulation separates the primary and secondary windings to help prevent voltage leakage. Heat-resistant magnetic materials support strong voltage output across the engine's operating range, while durable compounds help protect against cracking, vibration, and thermal stress. Better continues through manufacturing. Raw materials are inspected and tested before production begins. Critical processes are monitored throughout manufacturing. Primary and secondary windings are tested at the subassembly level, and every completed coil receives end-of-line testing before packaging. That level of control matters because ignition coil quality cannot be judged by appearance alone. MotoRad ignition coils are built for OE fit, dependable installation, and strong real-world performance. They are engineered to address common weaknesses found in lower-cost alternatives and deliver the voltage, spark energy, and durability today's engines require. With growing coverage, continued investment in new applications, a diversified supply chain, and in-house manufacturing, MotoRad reduces risk, strengthens near-shore supply, and gives distributors and counter teams more opportunities to say yes.